Everyone dreams of turning a small investment into life-changing money, but how often does it happen? This is not a clickbait story or a fantasy, this is my real crypto trading journey. I started with just $100 in a wallet, no fancy tools, no insider connections, just pure determination. Like many beginners, I made mistakes, took risks, and lost sleep chasing charts and coins. But over time, I learned the strategies, built discipline, and discovered what really works. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I went from $100 to $10,000, step by step. Every trade, every loss, every mindset shift, it's all here, raw and unfiltered. This isn't about getting lucky with a meme coin, it's about consistency and smart moves. I'll reveal the tactics that helped me grow, and the traps that almost ruined everything. Whether you're starting small or have already begun trading, this story will inspire and guide you. Crypto isn't magic, it's a game of psychology, risk, and timing that few truly master. And if I can do it with just $100 and a strong plan, so can you. This journey taught me more than charts, it taught me how to think like a real investor. Every dollar I gained came with a lesson, and every loss made me sharper. We'll break down the phases: survival, growth, setbacks, breakthroughs, and finally, momentum. This is your chance to learn from my real experience, no fluff, no guru hype. You'll see the power of compounding, patience, and taking calculated risks. Because small accounts don't stay small forever, not if you use the right mindset. So if you're serious about trading, stick around, this could change your entire outlook. Let's dive into my full journey, from $100 to $10,000 in the world of crypto trading. How it all started with just $100. I began with $100, not knowing much, just a dream to grow it into something real. I chose Binance for its low fees and easy access to beginner-friendly crypto pairs. At first, I stuck to BTC and ETH, avoiding meme coins and random hype tokens. My first few trades were shaky, some wins, some losses, but always something learned. I focused on spot trading, no leverage, to protect my capital while learning the ropes. I didn't try to double overnight, I aimed for steady 5 to 10% growth each week. That mindset shift made all the difference. Trading became a long game, not a gamble. With every small gain, confidence grew, and $100 began to feel like a powerful start. The first big mistakes I had to survive. I got greedy fast, chasing pumps, entering late, and ignoring my own rules. I lost nearly 40% in a week betting on an altcoin that everyone on Twitter hyped. That pain taught me to stop trusting influencers and start trusting charts and logic. I learned to use stop losses properly, and never risk more than 2% of my balance. FOMO trades destroyed progress, so I built a rulebook and stuck to it no matter what. I also journaled every trade, what I saw, why I entered, how I exited, and what I felt. That journaling helped me catch my emotional triggers and stop repeating dumb moves. Mistakes didn't kill my journey, they shaped it and taught me to trade smarter. The turning point. Learning real strategy. My breakthrough came when I discovered support and resistance zones on higher time frames. Instead of scalping noise, I began swing trading based on clean, high-conviction setups. I started using TradingView to plot trend lines and volume levels like a chessboard. This shift gave me patience. I waited for price to come to me instead of chasing it. Risk to reward became my mantra. If it wasn't at least 1 to 3, I passed on the trade. I backtested every strategy before going live. No more trading based on gut feelings. This phase turned my account from random to structured, and wins started coming more often. Consistency was born from planning, and that's when my capital began growing rapidly. Compound growth. Small wins add up fast. I didn't have any 10x trades, just a lot of 20% wins stacked over time. Every trade had a goal: grow my capital while protecting what I already had. I reinvested profits carefully, never scaling too fast and risking everything. As the account grew past $500, then $1,000, I started to diversify into stablecoins. That helped me preserve profits during bear dips, while waiting for new opportunities. I treated every $100 like it was worth $10,000, and that discipline paid off. By month 6, I was up nearly 400% from smart, consistent, boring trades. Compound growth is slow at first, then suddenly, it snowballs into serious gains. The power of community and mentorship. I joined a small Discord group where real traders shared insights, not hype. Asking questions and reviewing trades with others made me grow 10 times faster. I found a mentor who challenged me to trade with logic, not emotion or excitement. He showed me how to set alerts instead of watching charts all day in fear. We talked psychology more than charts, because mindset drives 90% of outcomes. That guidance helped me refine entries, exits, and risk management like a pro. I stopped overtrading, trusted my setups, and became proud of skipping bad trades. The right community makes you sharper, and that gave me the edge I needed. Getting through bear market phases. Crypto isn't always green. I faced long stretches of sideways or bearish markets. Instead of forcing trades, I stepped back, studied, and built watchlists patiently. During these times, I practiced paper trading to test setups without risking capital. I used the downtime to learn new tools, like on-chain metrics and sentiment trackers. When everyone panicked, I stayed calm, because the best setups come after fear. I preserved my capital, avoided revenge trading, and waited for confirmed breakouts. Bear markets test your discipline, but surviving them sets you apart from 90%. Even during drawdowns, I never lost sight of my end goal, and that kept me going. Scaling to larger trades with confidence. As I passed $3,000, I began scaling position sizes slowly but with strict control. I never went all in. I layered entries and used partial take profits to manage risk. The goal wasn't speed anymore, it was longevity and steady exponential growth. I treated each setup like a business plan, with entry, exit, and failure points. I began using tools like CoinGlass and Trading Light to track liquidity and trader sentiment. My strategy became more mechanical, less emotional, like a system, not a gamble. Every trade had a purpose, no more YOLO or impulse moves. That discipline took me from $3,000 to $7,000 faster than anything else I'd done. Final push. Riding a big market move in one setup. I caught a BTC breakout that I had been tracking for 3 weeks. I entered after confirmation and used a tight invalidation to reduce downside. That one trade, well-timed and well-managed, took my account past $10,000. It wasn't luck, it was 3 months of planning, patience, and confidence. I scaled out in chunks, protected profits, and didn't let emotions ruin the exit. The moment proved that big wins come from discipline, not chasing hype. It felt surreal to watch the account cross 5 figures, knowing where I started, and it reminded me, consistency is more powerful than any moonshot trade. Lessons I'd share with any beginner: start small, stay humble. Your goal is survival, not fast riches in your first month. Risk management matters more than any indicator, pattern, or influencer opinion. Have a strategy, test it, then trade it like a machine, with emotion turned off. Don't trade every day, trade when it makes sense, not when you're bored. Study market structure, not just price. Understand why things move before they do. Track your progress with journals and backtests. Data makes you smarter than emotion. Find a mentor, join a strong community, learn from others to speed up your growth. And most of all, trust the journey. With patience, $100 can become $10,000 too. That was my real crypto trading journey, raw, honest, and filled with lessons. If you're starting out, let this story be proof that small beginnings can lead to big wins. It's not about being perfect, it's about showing up, learning, and adjusting every day. Trading is a journey, and every dollar earned or lost is a step toward mastery. I hope this inspired you to take your trading seriously and believe in long-term growth. If this helped you, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your story. 2 more in-depth crypto tips and real strategies are coming in the next videos. So stay tuned, stay disciplined, and never stop learning in this game. Hit that like button to support the channel. It really helps reach more traders. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more real crypto stories like this one.